Hello everybody, this is Will Stroll here, and I just wanted to really quick create a short video to help respond to a question in the DNN forums, which is found on dnncommunity.org. Hello DNN community, I'm Will Stroll and I'm thrilled to bring you today's demo. But first, I need to talk to you a little bit about GitHub sponsors. I'm just asking for your support. You might know me from my work over the years in the DNN forums, might even have answered a question of yours, or perhaps you've read my blogs or watched one of my videos on DNN, or attended some of the events I've founded or spoken at. As someone who's personally spent years exploring and sharing my knowledge about DNN CMS, I'm asking for your partnership. Your partnership will enable more development, tutorials, tools, resources, all dedicated to our shared passion for DNN. So whether you're just starting out or you're an expert, your support will fuel our community's growth and innovation. So together, we can make a difference in the world of DNN. A link to our sponsor page will be in the video below, and that's it. Let's get to the demo. Thank you. Okay, so let's get started. First, we want to make sure that we're logged in as a super user. Okay, and so if you're not logged in as a super user, you may not be able to do all of this, or at least you won't be able to do anything about it. But the first thing is, once we can go to this gear icon, which is the settings menu in the persona bar, and then go to extensions. Once we're here, this is where we're going to see the modules listed. But if we choose a different type of extension, we can choose authentication systems, and if you have more than one, which can be common in some cases, you'll see them listed here, and if you do, you want to take note of them at this time. Now the second place to look is to see which one might be set as the default. So now we can go to the security tab in that same menu, and then the very first thing that you see is the default authentication provider, and if it's anything other than DNN, now you know which one to match it up with and how to figure out who it is. Okay, and so to that end, if we go back to the extensions view, if this was some other one, we can click the pencil to see who supports it. That's all there is to it. Have a great day.